Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm gonna do a 2-year update on my Jetson Bolt Pro, so stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, my name is Joe Rich and I'm an occupational therapist. And I review products, gadgets, travel, and talks about anything related to my career. In today's video, I'm going to do a quick update on my Jetson Bolt Pro after 2 years and 3 months. So I purchased my Jetson Bolt Pro back in 2020 during pandemic, and it was only $299 before tax. Now it doubled the price at their website, which is listed for $599. In Amazon, it's $499, and at Costco, where I bought it, it's $374.99 before tax. And the cheapest option is the remanufacture or refurbish from their website, which is listed for $249.99. My main purpose of buying this e-bike was not to use it for commuting to places every day, but to bring it with me whenever I travel. It allows me to explore places, get fresh air, and get some physical exercise. So for those who are wondering how it will hold up for someone who uses it every day, I'm sure there's other fellow YouTubers who could answer that question. But if you're like me who plan on using it when you only travel and camping, my personal experience that I will talk about next could apply to you. Now let's talk about my 2-year update on my Jetson Bolt Pro. The ride experience was the same. Whenever I go uphill, grass or concrete, I notice there's really no difference. For braking power, there were slight difference, which is normal for wear and tear. And it's similar to the tires, meaning I might have to get a new one next year. For battery life and distance mileage, there were a slight change. It's a little bit lower than when I first got it, but it's enough for me to last for 2-day trip. And also it depends on how you use throttle or pedal assist. Again, I'm really impressed with this e-bike and it was worth the money because I could still use it until now. Jetson does not pay me, so everything I'm saying is unbiased and it's all my honest opinion. My biggest tips and advice to the viewers who is planning to buy one of these is to make sure you do your research, think about how it will fit in your lifestyle, and will it be worth it in the long run. And for those who recently own one, maintenance is the key. Make sure you wipe all the water, clean any dirt before storing it, and make sure it's indoor as much as possible, away from the element, and make sure that the battery is not fully dead for a long period of time, and have at least 2 or 3 bars before storing it for many weeks or many months. Thanks again for watching. If you have any question, comment down below and I will answer it. And if you find this helpful and you enjoy watching, please subscribe and like and share. I'm halfway closer of achieving my goal for getting my 1,000 subscriber, which I'm hoping I'll get this year, and that will be amazing. Till next time, my name is Joe Rich. Stay curious.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Reese. Before we start this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell for notifications whenever I post and do silly things like that. Today we're going to where are we? We're in Canada, and we are biking with our e-bikes. It's very fun. skirt, skirt.